What's up, guys? Your girl is back again with a simple and quick makeup tutorial. Now, with this makeup tutorial, I'm actually going to go into my Lancome foundation, which I really like it. Took me a long time to kind of get in the move of things, but I like it. Now, I already prepped and primed my face using the Hangover, but I'm going to do it again. Now, this primer here is actually, it's a primer, a setting spray, and a refresher at the same time. So, hey, we're winning. Anyway, now I already did my brows or whatnot. Probably done rubbed them since then. So I'm going for a really natural look. You know, something you can pretty much do like video calls with, you know, like during this little season, this little, you know, turmoil season right now. See, I got my hair up. I thought maybe it'd be pretty dope to give you guys a video for like you girls that like to work online. You know, you got to do your work online. So I'm thinking about you, and I'm just gonna give you guys, did I just do that? Like you did. I'm gonna give you guys, oh, she missed it. So I'm giving you guys a natural look, a quick natural look or whatnot, something that is not too intense or whatnot. So what I was thinking, perhaps, I think I'm gonna, you know, I love dark colors, so it's kind of hard for me to kind of just be like basic. So I am gonna go into the Couture palette, okay, and I'm gonna dive into All Star. All right, now before I dive into All Star, I am going to prep and prime my eyes, okay, using the Urban Decay primer, eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get this out the way. It's not gonna take long. This is something quick. Get you guys on that video chat with your boss, you know, with that teacher you really like. She did not. Yes, girl, I've been there before. Okay, so I'm gonna just tap this in with a brush, just so I can get that shadow nice and thick. Well, not thick, but nice and dark and pigmented. Gonna help that color just shine bright like a diamond, you know, make it look like I've been in this mirror all day. So I'm just gonna tap that in until it's kind of like go away. Now, don't use too much of this because it will make your eyelids very white and it'll be hard to cover. So just go, I like to use a brush. A lot of people use their fingers, and that's fine, that's totally fine, but I like to use my brush just to make sure I get like a good blend. Okay, and then I'm gonna go do the same exact thing to the other side. All right, and you're gonna make sure you tap this in good to make sure there's no dents in there or whatnot, because that does make your shadows look pretty crazy. I don't really care when it does that. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dive into this purple color actually to kind of contour around the eye just a tad bit to make it seem like I've worked hard. So I'm gonna grab this brush here. I'm gonna do a little tap, and I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna get it like in this crease area. I'm gonna dive into that burgundy color here. I'm gonna dive into that color. Now I'm gonna definitely, cause now I feel like I need this pink or this. I'm gonna go into this color. Let's see. Uh-oh, wrong color. I'm gonna. Like that. And I'm gonna dive into this color here using the same brush. And I'm gonna put that here. So that is it for the eye. And you can even do a tad bit of a wing if you like. So I don't feel like I need a wing today. I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my foundation, which is this Lancome foundation. The Teint Idole. I call it Teint Idole. That's the name. Teint Idole. Teint Idole. Okay. Grab my brush. Go ahead and distribute this on my face. I love the way it's so smooth and it just glides on the skin. So guys, I noticed I didn't tell you what brush I was using. I'm using the Dior foundation brush. I really like this brush. It's like a kabuki brush or something. Like, it's really thick and nice and it gets the foundation all over, but it always mess up my brows. Like, I hate using this brush around the brows because it's gonna totally screw it up. Okay. Now I'm gonna dive into my Becca concealer. This is not one of my favorite concealers to use, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go into my Tarte Shape Tape. I really just don't like that Becca concealer. Like, not that one. I don't like it. It's like, no, it's junk. So I wanted a little bit more lighter in there. So I'm going back into my Tan Sand by Tarte. I want to draw a lot of attention within this area. Girl, I be running out of some Tarte. I love it. Use my Beauty Bakerie, and this is the translucent powder, and I think it's probably just called white. This is a flower, so maybe it's just the white. I can't. This is the white powder, but I don't know if that's the name of the powder. So I'm gonna just go in here and set. Now I'm gonna dive into dual finish powder. I got like a few of these, girl, cause I love Lancome and that gratis. Be nice. You know what I'm saying? They give you gratis. So all I get is dual finish powder and the foundation. That's all they give you. I'm gonna dive into some of this blush. And this is the Raisin from MAC. I like this blush so much. So I came back with the lipstick. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Girl. Going into this. I call this my Hello Kitty palette. Hello Kitties. Because I like it so nice. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Girl. Look at that thing right there. Make them boys go, wow. Yeah. Put some up here too. Yeah, girl, bring a little glow. Right there. She ready. Rub that thing in. Now what I do like is this color too, because it gives that wet look. This color is my favorite. Cause it make it so wet. But look, I like to go into my nose area with that color because I like it to be a little bit more precise. And let's do this. Let's go underneath these eyes with like a green. Like I'm seeing like this pretty turquoise. Leave it up to me to make it work, cause I'm sure finna go under there. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up and tell me how you guys like this look. Now to me, this is an easy, quick look. Let me know if you guys think so. No cut creases, none of that, girl. This is just simple, quick, go on by your day, okay? This look here didn't take me no time, okay? So tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Do come And check out the description box so you can see all the products that I use, just in case you missed anything. Okay, bye. Bye, kitties. Bye, kitty cats.